I'm Father Robert Balacer, the digital Jesuit, host of This Week in Enterprise Tech on the TWiT TV network. I'm here in Orlando, Florida for Enterprise Connect 2016, and I'm sitting next to Terry McCabe, the CTO of Mitel Mobile. Now, Terry, there's an interesting question that's been circulating the halls of Enterprise Connect, and that is, what good does all of the UC desktop solutions, all of these wonderful features do you if you've got a user base that doesn't have desktops?
Well, that's a key question, because when you look at the statistics, 80% of the workforce across North America are service workers and information workers. They're the boots and uniforms. They're the people who are out around us every day, and they don't have desktops, but what they do have are mobile devices. Their lifestyles are mobile-centric, and so unified communication solutions that are designed around that mobile experience are really what's needed to address that market.
I have heard companies that have tried to address that concern. In fact, we've had a few talk about mobile first, how they are a mobile first company, and I get that, and that's a great strategy. But what is the secret sauce that Mitel Mobile has to offer? In other words, what is it that you do differently that you think uniquely positions you to serve those underserved?
Well, we are unique in the sense that we have a carrier expertise base and we have an enterprise expertise base, and we brought those two things together in our offering. So we can look at the delivery of those services from an end-to-end perspective. We understand how to optimize the behavior of the mobile network, and we can build native experiences that use the voice quality of service in a modern LTE network to deliver high quality, highly reliable services. And let's face it, enterprise needs the most reliable quality of experience. And we can deliver that in a way that none of our competitors, none of the rest of the market can do.
So rather than me trying to figure out carriage and SLA, then hardware, then the features I'd put on top, you're saying I go to Mitel Mobile and Mitel says, well, we know how this works on this carrier end to end.
Exactly, and of course with our cloud-based solutions for unified communications, you have the flexibility of cloud with the reliability of the carrier transmission network.
All right, let's bring this down from the ivory tower. If an IT manager, a CTO were to come to you and say, we've got a project that we are brewing over the next year or so. We want to move to unified communications, both on the desktop and for our mobile workforce. We're not really sure where we are in our deployment. We're not sure how our infrastructure will be able to handle it. And we don't even really know what the feature set is that we want to deploy. What kind of advice could you give to that IT manager, that CTO?
Well, I think the first part is really leverage the cloud. There's a great flexibility in cloud-based solutions today. We have the capability to integrate those cloud-based solutions with whatever you have in your premise, so you don't lose that investment and that expertise that's built into your knowledge base. And then start looking at the workflows at the center of your business. See how communications can be woven into those workflows. Because embedding communications into the workflows of your employees and of your customers, those are really valuable things to do. Think about it. Think about the Uberization of a lot of our industry and what's coming in the future. People expect to be able to track workflows and interact with other employees, with experts and skills within their organization without having to know phone numbers, short codes. They expect to be able to touch one button on a smartphone and reach the information, the knowledge, the people that they want to get to. And we think we know how to do that, and our embedded communications offering helps with that.
Now, if you think about it, that's actually more fully realized UC. That's UC that's not hamstrung by what we used to think made for a communication system.
And the next part of this, and this is where it gets really exciting, is when you integrate Internet of Things with this. So you start thinking of the environment and the context of the communication. So no longer, if I'm calling customer service, I have a defective module, I have a defective air conditioning in my factory. Well, the call context can show diagnostics about what's going on in my plant and my location, so I don't have to waste 10 minutes explaining to you what's going on. You've actually got that information in front of you, and you've directed the call on the basis of skills-based routing to someone who knows how to deal with that. Customer satisfaction goes up, and the quality of experience for the customer goes up. That's when you start not thinking of this as just dollars and cents spent on a unified communication solution. It's a way to enhance customer experience.
It's the unified communication of things.
Very much so.
We've been speaking with Terry McCabe, the CTO of Mitel Mobile. Terry, thank you very much for spending time with us. If they wanted to find out more about Mitel Mobile, about what you could do for them, about how you could help them with their future deployment, where should they go?
Well, of course, our website, www.mitel.com. We've got lots of great information in there, and we've got connections to our sales team and to lots of experts. We use our own products, so we're always there, always available.
Terry, good show to you, and thank you very much for sharing your vision and your tech with us.
Thank you very much.
I'm Father Robert Ballister, the Digital Jesuit, and stay tabbed because we've got plenty more from Enterprise Connect 2016.